Hey everyone, it's Jess from Coldesi, and today I want to teach you guys how to make a custom pin the tail on the cat kids birthday party game. For this project, we used the Roland Versa Studio BN20. First, we loaded our roll of removable wall flare vinyl into the machine, and you can find this on Coleman & Company. Then we sent our artwork over to the printer using the Roland VersaWorks software. To help create this custom cat and tail artwork, we use Coldesi Graphics. This is a great option if you don't have experience in the graphics department or need help to bring an idea to life. Now, what we love about the BN20 is that lengthwise, it has the ability to print up to as much rolled material you have loaded into the machine. So we were able to fit the image of our cat and 18 tails for this birthday party game. Now, this is a print and cut machine, which means it will print your artwork and then cut around it. So you can walk away from this machine and let it do all of the work. So now this is complete. I'm going to trim off the edge and I'm going to move this over to my working table. So for this graphic, we decided to add some negative space. So we're going to cut out the white spaces in our graphic here, and I'm just going to weed them out using my weeding pick, which you can find on Coleman & Company. So next, I'm just going to continue weeding out the little white spaces here, and then I'll get to cutting my tails. So to make it easier for our customer, we like to remove the surrounding vinyl so that it makes it easier for application. So next, what I want to do is cut out each individual tail so that each kid has their own tail to pin on the cat. So now we can go ahead and apply this to our wall. Now this is for a birthday party, so application does not have to be perfect. We know that in a few hours it will just be removed from the wall. Now that's one of the biggest reasons why we love wall flare removable vinyl, because for projects like this, when you go to remove it, it won't leave any residue or marks on the wall. So the best part about projects like this are the business opportunity. Now at the birthday party, every kid's parent is going to want to find one of these for their kid. So if you want to learn more about the Roland BN20, visit Coldesi.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.